During week 1, you had to choose a firm to research and inform your instructor on your decision. Here are some suggestions. Make sure your firm is a U.S. company and that it is publicly traded and that information is readily available to facilitate your research. In Milestone One, you'll introduce the firm you selected. The first part of Milestone One focuses on the purpose of the paper. You are acting as a consultant for the firm and researching economic trends and outcomes to ultimately provide recommendations on how the firm can improve or maintain its success in the future. In the second part of the milestone, you have to provide a summary of the history of the firm and write an overview of what goods and services your firms sell. Start from the origins and make your way to today to explain how your firm has evolved and grown through the years. Maybe it changed the type of good or service it sells, or it had some rough times in the past. What are the highs or the lows of its history? Once your milestone is ready, check that you have applied APA styled correctly. Include a title page, page numbers, and a running header. Use 12-point Times New Roman and double spacing. Include a reference list and in-text citations of your sources, and before submitting, run a spell check and a grammar check. Submit your milestone by Sunday evening of Module 2.